Hi, so it's good what it is. It's me. It's I am melomotaungcreative, and I'm back once again with another video. So in today's video, as you guys can see, we're looking okay. Today we're not Beyonce. I don't know what we are today, but we definitely something. But yeah, welcome back to another video. It is another hair video, and as you guys know, I'm your plug when it comes to everything wig in store, everything hair basically. So today's video, it is sponsored by CELIE Hair. As you guys will see, all the information about this hair will be down in my description down below. So just save yourself some coins here and there, and give a little time, so yeah, save yourself some coins and get yourself this amazing unit. It is a 13x4 unit and it is in 14 inches, so you gotta get yourself something. But yeah, without wasting any more time, without blabbing anymore, let's just get right into the video.
So yeah, my love, so basically I'm just here to give you a heads up as to what is it that I received. So basically I received this comb and this amazing bonnet. This color is amazing, a headband, this edge brush, as well as a wig cap, and darling, of course, some lashes, as well as a band, and also these grips when you lay the wig. So basically this is how this box looks like. It's purple, it's nice, it's cute, whatever. Then when you open it, it's all everything nice, so as you guys can see, the length, it is a 13x4 wig, and yeah, everything is right there in the content. And also this is the hair care instruction, and this is the construction of the wig. It has 3 combs in front and 1 comb at the back. So basically, as usual, I'm gonna cut off the back, and well, with my powder, I'm just gonna powder the lace. I'm not doing too much because it's already tinted. And also I'm just going to tint the wig cap. As you guys can see, there's all the hair information on the right hand side. So if you guys want to know more, I do suggest that you actually go into my description box and click on the link to the hair or to the CELIE Hair website, and you will find everything that you need to know. So basically this part, I'm not going to explain it. I'm just using something else that's different. I hardly use the other got to be glue that is yellow that you guys saw that I'm using now, but I'm just going to use it just in G, but I'm not going to explain everything in the video. I'm just going to let it play as it go, because you guys already know the drill. You guys already know how I lay my wigs. If you are new here, welcome again, and if you're a returning subscriber, baby girl, where have you been? Actually, where have I been? But yeah, I'm just gonna let the video play while I install this hair, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. My sister, are you stupid or what? Look at you. How cute is these curls, baby? This is a body wave wig, by the way, guys. And like I did mention previously, if you would like to get your hands on this amazing gorgeous hair, I do suggest that you do click in the description down below. The link to the hair is already there, so you don't have to do much, baby girl. So also, it's Valentine's Day soon, so I do suggest that, hey fellas, get your ladies these amazing curls, okay? So yeah, thanks once again to CELIE Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I really do hope that you did like this video. Comment down below, and yeah, man, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.